welcome to the Kid in the City. My name is Jontee and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. If this is not your first time, welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all social media channels at the Kid in the City. We are getting into another eyeshadow detail. So with the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab eyeshadow palette, which is one of my favorites, I am creating this really nice, very nice purple eyeshadow look. It's giving what needs to give. Okay, let's just get into it. But we're going through all the steps, the colors, the brushes, all the things. When I say eyeshadow detail, it's exactly that. So if you want to see how I got to this purple lid, stay tuned because we're jumping right in. So for today's eyeshadow look, we are going in with the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab eyeshadow palette. I've used this palette about 100 million times before. It's super versatile. The pigments are everything and it's just a beautiful palette. Unfortunately, you can't buy it anymore because it's gone, but if you have it, you have it. But again, there's so many shades and colors in here that I don't think it'll be difficult to like find it in other palettes. You know what I'm saying? It's not like it's a color that does not exist, right? So you can still find these colors in different palettes. I don't know how it's gonna feel. I don't know the pigment, you know, I don't know all those details because I know what's in this. But you can still, you know what I'm saying, you could still do what needs to be done if you really want to do what needs to be done. You feel me? So yeah, that's gonna be the look for today. I'm super excited because it's gonna be so cute. This palette is one of my favorites, so I'm always super excited when I can play with it. And I always feel I just need to put all my eyeshadow brushes in just a different, its own little holder, because I always feel like my eyeshadow brushes be like missing or not where they're supposed to be, and I actually hate that. I hate that. Yo, what's going on? All right, I'm gonna just go with what I got because I'm not, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Okay, so we are starting off with Shookington, and I'm gonna put this on the inner part of the eye, and it's this really nice purple shimmer.
Artlist.io.
So I'm using a flat brush for this part just to kind of pack it in.
Music licensing reimagined.
So that is Shookington. She's cute. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Big Wig, and I'm just gonna put that's gonna be like my outer color, my outer shade. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna use a little bit, I'm definitely gonna build this because I just don't know how purple this purple is. I don't want to set myself up, yeah, baby. So we just gonna go right here.
Artlist.io.
Before I go in with any more color, with a blank clean brush, make sure with a clean brush, I'm gonna go in and just blend out that what was that, big wig. I'm just gonna blend her out a little bit. Okay. Just to soften that purple just a tad. I do want to go back in with Shookington and just add a little more purple. Right up here. Okay. Where'd it go? I'm gonna take a little bit more of that big wig and just bring a little bit of it up here, just a little bit. And then with that clean brush to blend, I'm just gonna buff that out just a tad. Okay. And now with another kind of medium-sized long brush, I'm gonna take Ginger, which is this light brown, and I'm gonna put that right on top of big wig and put that into the brow bone, just to again soften that up a little bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm using Ginger more as like a transition color than like an actual like shade. I just wanted to just soften up that purple a little bit. And now I am gonna go back in with big wig just to put a little bit more of that right here. Like so. And again, we're gonna go back in with Shookington. Make sure she's laid down, okay? And then put her right into big wig. Easy peasy. Your girl don't be doing too much, you feel me? I don't be doing too much, but I definitely do enough, okay? And I'm just gonna take another clean brush and make sure that's blended. And that's really gonna be it for the kid. Let me put a little bit more ginger. But that's really gonna be about all she wrote, you feel me? That's about it. I do want to just clean up this inner part a little bit. And that's it. So this is the eye. Okay, this is the eye. This is the eye. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all. So now we're just going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow so far. I am going to do the rest of my face, and I'm going to come back because I am going to do big wig on the bottom, on like the bottom lid. So I'll be back with that, and then we'll continue on. But I'll be back. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna finish the look. I've done the rest of the makeup, but we're gonna finish the eye look with putting big wig on the bottom lid. I am running really close on time, so this is gonna have to be quick. But yeah, we're gonna go in with big wig and put that on the bottom lid. Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, and then with a clean, small firm brush, I'm just gonna smoke it out. Like that. That's it. You feel me? That's all the girls need to do. That's all the girls need to do. Actually, I'm lying because I think I want to put a little, I'm gonna put Shookington right on the inner part.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just like that. She's cute. She's really cute. She's cute. So we're just gonna copy and paste. Yeah. Yeah. She's cute. She is cute, girl. She's taking it, honey. All right, folks. Okay, so I did just add a little bit of eyeshadow to the lower lash, and then of course I put Big Wig and Shookington on the bottom lid. She's eating down, okay? She's eating down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just leave it as it is. I'm not gonna touch it because it's gonna be too much. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go get myself together, do my hair, and I will be back with the final look. Okay, so here we are with the final look for the eyeshadow. This, baby, let me tell you something. Jackie Aina, Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever y'all did in that lab, whatever y'all was cooking up and mixing up, you did your big one, okay? Because this eyeshadow palette has not steered me wrong in any way, and I'm obsessed with this eye look. It came out so pretty. Even like the bottom lid, this eyeshadow just it's just everything. Purple is my favorite adult color, and I'm absolutely obsessed. That's just how it goes. I don't really have too much to say, baby. Y'all did what needed to be done with this eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited with how it came out. I'm going to AV sessions, so I am going to be out at night. I think this is a really good nighttime look. This is a good date look, club, night, anything in the evening, anything after 6-7 o'clock. I think this is the perfect look. But that's really it. If you want to see the full glam and all the other steps outside of the eyeshadow for the full face, I'm gonna put the link to the video right here. You can check that out. But that is it for the kid. I do thank y'all so much for stopping by. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.